Connect with our farmers. We're going to need to rebuild relationships with the hands that feed us 3 times a day.
Science of how we can relate socially to rebuild capital, social capital.
To safety. And then when all was destroyed, well, then I'd, of course, rebuild, and I'd do it again and again, because I love it.
As if one day it'll be possible to repair, rebuild, and augment our own bodies with stuff we make in the kitchen.
I don't know how we're going to rebuild the trust, because it really starts with saying, hey, I made a mistake, or I didn't get it right.
I could see this as an opportunity to rebuild a social infrastructure rooted in justice and fairness. We could actually put...
We've been fighting not just to create more jobs today, but to rebuild our economy on a stronger foundation. Our future as a nation